If you are looking for the most stunning Valentine's Day dessert, you have to try this strawberry Shahi Tukda. That is a stunning shade of pink and it's so quick to make. We will start by making a strawberry jam by caramelizing some strawberries with sugar. Finish it with some salt and you should get this beautiful jammy consistency. Then we will add milk, cream and sugar and let this come to a simmer on medium heat. Then I added a little cornstarch slurry to get the lovely silky texture, but without having to boil the milk for long. This makes it so light and quicker. Now finish it off with some kesar, elaichi and rose syrup for that light fuchsia color. For the bread, I have cut them into heart shapes so they are perfect for Valentine's. Then brush them with ghee or butter on both sides and you can bake or air fry it till golden brown. I have avoided frying them. It turned out just perfect in the air fryer. To serve, I rimmed these serving glasses with some gold sprinkles and added a layer of a rose rabdi on the bottom. Add a layer of bread, some fresh strawberry jam and then again top it off with the bread. Pour over your warm rabdi and it's time to garnish with some fresh strawberry, nuts and kesar water. Celebrate your loved ones this Valentine's Day with this beautiful strawberry Shahi Tukda. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.